Here's how to use Seal Spray Foam Subfloor and Construction Adhesive. Here's what you'll need. Eye protection, adhesive repellent gloves, respirator in some cases, professional gun applicator. 40-inch long gun is available to save your back in subfloor applications, gun foam cleaner or other acetone spray. And here's how to use it. Before we begin, note that our subfloor and construction adhesive is only for horizontal use. Make sure surfaces are clean and clear. Give the can a vigorous shake for 20 to 30 seconds. Hold the can upright and attach the gun like this. Open the control knob, turn the can upside down, and apply. Adjust foam output with the regulator knob on the gun. Wipe the gun tip after each application. When you're finished spraying, clean any excess uncured foam with gun foam cleaner or acetone. Adhesive cures quickly. Install subfloor panels within 20 minutes. And that's it. You're done. An excellent choice for subfloor and landscape applications as well as stone, rock, and any non-load-bearing blocks. Seal Spray Foam Subfloor and Construction Adhesive. Just another smart solution from the Seal Spray Foam family of products that helps you seal the deal.